For a relaxing, all-inclusive getaway by the sea, Ephesia Beach Club is a fantastic choice in Kusadasi. With its prime beachfront location, this resort offers beautiful sea views, top-tier facilities, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. The modern and spacious rooms provide everything you need for a comfortable stay, many featuring private balconies to take in the Aegean sunset. The pool scene is a highlight, with multiple pools, water slides, and plenty of sun lounges for unwinding in style. And with direct access to a private sandy beach, crystal clear waters are just steps away. Dining is a treat, with a variety of restaurants and bars serving everything from Turkish specialties to international favorites, ensuring there's something for everyone. For those looking to unwind, the Spa and Wellness Centre offers indulgent treatments, a Turkish hammam, and relaxing indoor pools. Meanwhile, active guests can enjoy water sports, fitness facilities, and daily activities. As night falls, live entertainment, shows, and themed evenings keep the energy going. For a sun-soaked holiday with fun, relaxation, and stunning views, Ephesia Beach Club is an excellent choice in Kusadasi.